Guys that want the money got to do the one-day flake.
We got a 2-car garage going down, flake job.
Epoxy will change your life.
Some domino flake colors. We're doing MVB on the base. You could throw your flakes right into that.
You can use Xtreme Polishing Systems, the best product on the planet. I've used plenty of other people's products. One of the main competitors, Cimarron, and ended up coming back to XPS.
We use these diamond teeth to remove the existing mastic it has on, and well, these are really good for that.
Awesome. Doing an epoxy floor at a lounge, about 2,500 square feet. So we're going over epoxy, so it's already epoxy there. So kind of got a little cheat sheet, but still gotta prep it right to get this material to stick.
Perfect, everything perfect. I love this product and all my jobs. I do the best finish with XPS.